So this video here shows us how to use the trailer inventory master sheet. It has several tabs down here. You got your load trailers, your physical inventory for each project manager. You have Ben, you have Steve, and you also have Dale right here on this. And then you go back, you have the master one. That one's locked out. You'll use the load trailer and then the physical inventory sheets. So on the load trailers tab, you have your product, you have your categories like chemicals, fiberglass repair, things like that. You have your supplier column. Then you have the quantity required to make a full trailer. And then you mark here whether you've actually loaded these quantities or not. So with this, so let's say we need these products loaded in the trailer. We don't have them yet, and we're going to fill this, populate this as we begin to load. So let's just start with chemicals, for instance. So let's select chemicals. I'll show you how to sort for just chemicals. You use your filter here. You'll clear all. Go down, just check chemicals. Move down and select OK. Then that just gives you all your chemicals. There's nothing else on here now, just chemicals. So you just go down here, you start loading your chemicals. So you need 6-Clorox bleach, it says. So you load them in the trailer, you put 6. You get your TSP, you need 6, you load 6. Acetone, you need 4 or 5 gallon pails, so forth and so on until you have all your chemicals loaded. I'm going to leave one of these off on purpose, the Interlux 202, the 202 cleaner. I'm going to leave it off. So I'm going to go back and select everything now. So I have my chemicals, everything else. Now I'm going to go in here, clear everything, and then I'm just going to select the ones that are blank. So that's going to show me everything in my trailer that I did not load, and you'll see the 202 cleaner at the very top. Also, I forgot to load my Tyvek 2X coveralls, and I forgot to load my repelling harnesses. There's several things. Because I left them blank means I didn't put them on the trailer. That means they never made it to the trailer. So that should be the red flag. And help us ensure everything that needs to be in the trailer when we take off for the season is on the trailer. Just going to clear these back out. Now let's go to physical inventory. So we're going to use Dale's sheet here as an example. This is the same thing. You got your products and material, you've got your categories, you got your suppliers, your target inventory for your trailer, and then your trailer guy. He's done physical inventory, and this is the quantity you have on hand, and then this is how many you need to order. This automatically populates as your trailer guy populates the other field. So you'll clear this for your supplier. Let's say we want to order from Paints Plus. So go down there and select Paints Plus, click OK, and then that only brings up Paints Plus supplies. Nothing else is in here. And then because you have a bunch of zeros in here, zeros means there's nothing needed. There's 12 hard pads and you've got them all. So let's clear out that. Let's remove our zero. Oh, no, sorry, not move our zero. Let's select all and then remove our zeros. So now we only have numbers here on what we need to order. So we need 3M filler, we need soft pads, we need clean sheets, we need wool buffing pads, Stickster gloves, Tyvek, and 3M 4000. And then over to the far right, it tells you the quantity that is needed for the order. So you can make one order for Paints Plus here, and it tells you the quantity that you need. Now, of course, you're going to have to round up for box or case quantities, but at least this gives you an idea that, hey, I am running low, and you can make an educated decision. So let's say, let's just put that, select all again, clear that filter out of the quantity, and let's say we need something from composite 1, or we want to check on composite 1. Do I need to make an order for them? Go to OK. And I can say on my composite one, there's nothing I need to order. I have resin, I have blue fairing primer, I have my matte and my biaxial. I'm good. So just remember, always remember to clear out your filters. Just select all, and then just click OK again. Then that takes everything back, so you don't leave a filter on.